Hi, my name is Russ Newton with AI Media. We're here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas, a really hot Las Vegas, of course. Just to introduce AI Media, we are the leader in live closed captioning and also language translation. We've been in business for over 20 years under AI Media and have a series of different encoders that we can connect into our platform, and it's through that platform that we're able to use AI-derived captions, Lexi specifically, as well as Lexi Translate and now Lexi Voice to be able to bring accessibility and closed captioning into live workflow, as well as translated text. And with Lexi Voice now we're able to introduce synthetic voice into live workflow, so we can take a translated input, or a single language input, and output up to 100 languages, depending on the encoder stacks. But we recently just launched two new encoders: our Lexi Voice encoder, which is built specifically to support multi-language in different applications, and that is a unit that carries a GPU and allows us to take a single language in and output 5 languages simultaneously. We also released our Lexi Text encoder, which is a UHD 4K native SDI encoder that is built specifically for captioning. We are, as I mentioned, a leader in captioning. We deliver captions all over the world, but we deal with all the major brands in the sports leagues in the Americas especially. And the Lexi Voice is probably the coolest thing right now that our customers are interested in. So we'd be happy to speak to you about that. We're currently at booth N7548 here at InfoComm, and we can be reached through our website at www.ai-media.tv.